This is the Python command line. Now I want to execute a Python program to find sum of the two numbers. Right? A assignment 10 and B assignment 20. C assignment A plus B. Then print sum of A and B is double quotes, comma, C, close parenthesis. Then press enter. Now this is the output of this program. Sum of A and B is 30. Now observe here. A assignment 10. I am storing the value 10 into the variable A. And next line, storing the value 20 into variable B. I am finding the sum of the A plus B and storing that result into the variable C. I want to print the value of C. In Python, we use print function as the output function. Print, open parenthesis, within the double quotes, what we are writing, sum of A and B is. This is called string constant. What you are writing in the double quotes, or we may use single quotes also, that will be printed how that is. What you are typing, that will be printed as it is. Then after that, you must type comma and variable name. After this string, what is the variable name you typed here? The value of that variable will be printed here. If you observe the output, sum of A and B is. This is the string constant that will be printed as it is. After that, what we have written, C. What is the value we have in the C? A plus B, nothing but 10 plus 20, 30. So 30 will be printed here. So this is how to execute the programs using Python command line environment.